learn something new today?
Yes.
Okay. What is today? What is it today? What are we celebrating?
World Earth Day.
World Earth Day. And what do we do on World Earth Day? What does it remind us?
Uh, we should
We should.
we should save the earth and
Okay. What are we celebrating today, Umar?
we celebrating today World Earth Day.
What have you made on your notebook?
I made earth.
You made Earth. And what is the Earth holding?
This is the paper bag and this is a plastic bag.
Which one should we use? Should we use the paper bag or should we use the plastic bag?
We should not use the plastic bag. We should use paper bag
Why?
because plastic bag spreads pollution and it makes us sick.
Okay, thank you, Umar. Did we learn something new today, Eliana?
Yes.
What was it?
We learned how we should protect the earth
And why did we learn it today?
because today is World Earth Day,
Okay, on which date do we celebrate it?
22nd April.
Very well done. What have you drawn on your paper?
I've drawn Earth. I've drawn what Earth should be and what it is.
Okay, what do you think? How is the earth nowadays?
It's not quite right. There are a lot of fires like Australia fires and people cut down trees and throw garbage in water. That's what makes all of the sea animals die.
Okay, and how can we save the earth?
We can save the earth by planting trees. It helps us in the ozone layer and we can also throw all the garbage in the dustbin and so all of the water could be safe.
Okay, thank you, Eliana.
Save water. Plant more trees. Avoid pollution.